Alrighty, guys, welcome to the vlog. If it looks a little different today, let's see if the boy can make a shot. Oh, beautiful. He gets that from the one and only. Y'all know that, right?
Oh, yeah.
You get that from me, don't you?
Yeah, but
It's true, though.
Yeah.
But anyways, I play basketball. We still play basketball. We out here all the time playing basketball. But anyways, today is such a beautiful day. We'll see you later, Zaya. We'll be back in a little bit. Love you, buddy. Today is such a beautiful day that me and Becca, or Becca and I, are actually on our bicycles. I've got the GoPro on my chest, so we're going to see exactly how far we go. We haven't ridden in months, guys, so bear with us when we get back to normal. Becca is using Strava, road cycling.
Yeah.
We'll see how far we go. I have Strava also. See, I always film on my phone.
Map
so,
My Ride.
Huh?
I'm using Map My Ride.
Okay, I'll use Strava
Yeah.
then. Record. There it is. Bicycle. Record. Start. There it is. Time. This and that. And you just set it in the background. And you go right back to playing your music that you were playing. And I'm going to put y'all in this chesty right here. We're going to go take a ride. Let's do it. Right?
Bird.
Oh, I didn't have a mask. I better go get one, huh?
Yeah.
Let me go grab a
I'll reach
mask.
out
I got the mask ready to roll. I think that'll be a... Wait. Could have put it a little bit of an angle up. Now, guys, I haven't done this in a long time, so bear with me on the GoPro. You ready? Let's roll. You ready? Okay, I'm going to sit down. It's very hard to sit on a BMX bike. If you don't know, that's why my knees go up to the handlebars. But I rarely do that. Usually I'm standing. We got our bangs. We're going to Patriot Park. We're going to drink them, then ride. There was almost an accident right over here. We got always an accident, guys. That's why I want to keep the camera on, so you can see the craziness that happens here in town while we're riding. And this is actually a super street spot right here. Anybody that rides a BMX, if you look right here, you'll know what I'm talking about. Look at that. Look at that. It's perfect. Perfect for riding. Okay. You're good to cross if you go now. There we go. Who's it look good on that bike? Yeah. The seat looks good. I mean, it looks like you're happy. Wow, look at the new trolley stop, guys. Look at this. Wow, look at this. So what's good about a bike is you can meander everywhere. Let's see, let's lower the camera just a hair, and that way I can kind of stand straight up and y'all get a good view. Look how beautiful. See, this is good. This is all gonna be the new trolley area. The new trolley stop and everything. Really cool. Really cool. Going down to this gazebo area.
Yeah. I'm gonna take a
Oh yeah, beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Let's go over here. See what happens if we go over here. Oh yeah, that's where they cut down the trees right there in front of us, guys. Check it. Check that out. Can you believe it? Look. There used to be beautiful trees in front of us. So. Alright, let's roll. We're rolling out from the beverages. Let's go for probably about an hour. Really get 5 to 10 miles is what I'm thinking. You? There's, oh, the water's up a little bit. See where the otters play? That's what it looks like out here, guys. You gotta watch who's going where. Look at all the people over there. Wow, fantasy golf is busy. And I'm super, look how busy they are. Isn't that awesome? It's nice to see. I'm glad they're busy. It's awesome. Few jumps here and there to get warmed back up on this thing, guys. I haven't ridden a bike in a while. Can't do a manual. Can't do nothing. But I'll get back in the groove of things here. Becca's back there screaming about something. Don't know what, but we'll figure it out. And there's the backside of Food City over there. What'd you say? Oh. Come on. Just taking it easy today, guys, as you see. Just wanted to bring you along because we haven't done this in so long that we didn't know, how far we were going to be able to ride without being winded and whatnot, but seems to be doing okay. Guys, look at these Ford Raptors right here. There's a bunch of them right in a row. Look over there. Wonder what they're here for. There's 1, 2, 3. Look at that. Shelby Raptor. The Off-Road Revolution is what it says on them. You guys check out the Off-Road Revolution. All right, say bye to the Raptors. Let's roll on. We're leaving Severe Vapor. We're headed to home. Right now we're like 3 miles, so we'll see how far we get. Huh?
There's a trash can right there.
Good. Let's go down here. I'm gonna find a trash can. I did it. Okay, now let's get on the way home so I don't freeze. nobody coming. Walk right across the bridge. Oh, well, we'll ride. Okay.
Yeah, they were.
Might as well.